Hello, this is Dr. Anupama Gadad, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Kittur. Today we are going to learn about the correlation and regression in Business Statistics 2 for BCom 4 semester. First of all, we will see the definition of correlation, which is given by A.M. Tuttle. According to him, correlation is an analysis of the covariation between two or more variables. It means the study of relationship between the two or more variables. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಹ, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ, ಸಹ ಸಂಬಂಧಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. If sales increases, profit also increases. If sales decreases, profit also decreases. If number of members in family increases, the expenditure also increases. This kind of relationship is known as positive correlation. It means both the variables move in the same direction. So it is called positive correlation. If both the variables move in opposite direction, then that is called as negative correlation. For example, the age of vehicle and resale price. If the age of vehicle increases, the resale value will decrease. This kind of relationship is known as negative correlation. Next, linear correlation means the correlation between two variables is said to be linear if the ratio of change between the two variables is uniform. It means the relationship between the two variables or ratio of change between the two variables will be uniform. That is known as linear correlation. For example, if sales increases by 10%, profit also increases approximately or nearly 10%. That is known as linear correlation. Next, methods of correlation. There are four methods of correlation. In that, first one, scatter diagram method or dot chart. Second one, Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, which is important from your exam point of view, and it will be asked for 15 marks. Third one, Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation. It is also important, and on this there is a chances of case study. Last one, concurrent deviation method. These are the four methods under correlation. In that, first one, scatter diagram method, which is also known as dot chart. Scatter diagram method means the graphical method of studying the correlation between a ungrouped bivariate data. It means the study of relationship between the ungrouped bivariate data by using graph, that is known as scatter diagram method. Next, nature of correlation between the variables. Here you can see on the chart there are 5 methods or 5 types of correlation between the variables. In that, first one, positive correlation. Positive correlation means if all the points collectively show an upward trend, that is, if all the points move from lower left hand corner to the upward right hand corner, then that is known as positive correlation. Next, second one, negative correlation. If all the points collectively show an downward trend, that is, move from upper left hand corner to the lower right hand corner, then that is known as negative correlation. Third one, zero correlation. It means the points will not depict any relation between them, that is known as zero correlation. Fourth one, perfect positive correlation. It means all the points lie on a single straight line and show an upward trend, that is from lower left hand corner to the upper right hand corner, that is known as perfect positive correlation. Next, last one, perfect negative correlation. It means all the points lie on a single straight line and show an downward trend, move from upper left hand corner to the lower right hand corner, that is known as perfect negative correlation. This is the nature of correlation between the variables. In my next video, I am going to discuss about the important topic Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Thank you.